How to connect your wallet to EVOKE Marketplace. Install and set up a crypto wallet. Download a wallet. If you don't have a crypto wallet yet, install one like MetaMask. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. Open MetaMask and click Create a Wallet. Set up a strong password and store it securely. Write down your secret recovery phrase, 12 words, and store it safely. Never share it with anyone. Confirm your secret recovery phrase and complete the setup. Go to EVOKE Marketplace. Go to EVOKE Marketplace. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your wallet. After clicking on the Connect Wallet button, a pop-up will appear with different wallet options. Select MetaMask or your installed wallet. Approve connection in your wallet. Your wallet extension, MetaMask, will open and ask for permission to connect. Click Connect.